Hello, my name is Saffron, and welcome to Saffron's Beauty Unboxings. Today, I got my Walmart beauty box, my spring 2022 one. This box is like $7 a month, not a month, but like per season. And today I got my spring one. I think I got it pretty quick because I got an email a couple of days ago that said it shipped, and today I got it. Today's the what's today? Today's the 9th. So I think I got it pretty early. I mean, it's not even spring, technically spring yet, so I'm pretty excited to open it. That's the front of it. Let's see what we got. That's inside of it. It says Beauty for All. Let me dim the light so you can see this little pamphlet a little better. That's the front of it. And there's Smooth Moves hair. Guess that's something you can get in there. And here's what you can get in the box. I just kind of looked at it quickly. I'm not going to look at it again, so I don't kind of spoil what I might be potentially getting. Here's the wrapping paper. This is what inside looks like. And let's see what we got. Got some press-on nails. Let me see what the value of them are. It's the Impress Press-On Manicure. I'm probably going to give that to a friend because I really don't, I don't really use press-on nails that much. That's, there's $6.97, just like $7, and this looks like it's full size. They look pretty nice. I think I'm going to give it to a friend of mine. The next one is Hydration Multiplier Golden Cherry. I think I've gotten something like this in the last one I got, the winter box. I think I got this in the winter box in a different flavor. I can't remember what the flavor was, but I think it was strawberry. So this is a cherry one, and it was actually pretty good. The strawberry one, it didn't taste so. It tastes like a fruit drink. It kind of tastes like a Nestle water kind of. It didn't taste like powdery. It tastes pretty good, so I'll have to try this too. Let's see here. I think I got this exact color, Crush Crimson. This isn't on the pamphlet, but I have something like this. I don't know if I have the same shade. I got it from a Halloween box. This is Hard Candy Glitterazzi in Crushed Crimson. I may have this same exact color, but I think I'll keep this because I have something like this, and I love it. It's like this part is glittery, and you can. I got it from a Halloween box, a Halloween box that I ordered from Walmart, but I think I'll use this. It's like a glittery color. Let me try it on for you. Well, let's see. I can get it open just quickly. Let me just try this part out. See, it's like glittery. And this one's more glossy. Get open. Here we go. And a little bit messy. It has like a vanilla scent. I love the color. It's not very clean looking right now, but I don't have it really put on good, but I love that. I'll keep that. Let's see what else we got. I like these. I've tried this before. Or, well, not the scent, but a little hand sanitizer. I think this is a Walmart Pacific brand. Find your happy place under the starlit sky. Hand sanitizer. Kind of has a lavender kind of scent. Let me get the retail value of that. Let's see. That's $4. I think you can find that specifically at Walmart. I haven't seen that brand anywhere else but Walmart. So, and I've gotten little hand sanitizers like that before, and they're pretty nice. You can just stick it in your pocket. Let's see what else we got. Got a shampoo and conditioner. Monday conditioner. Let me dim the light so you can see a little better. Here's the Monday conditioner. Or shampoo. A little matching conditioner. It's kind of... Let's see what the retail value of them. Hair care minis. The full size of them is $7. Smell it. Well... Open it. Y'all been doing okay today? I've been doing pretty good. I hate this weather. It's like 1 minute's hot and the next minute's cold. What do y'all think about gas prices? Oh my goodness. Gas prices are ridiculous. I've been having the last 2 weeks having to pay like $40 in gas. And all I drive is a little PT Cruiser. It's $40 a week. I think it's ridiculous. It smells pretty good. But it's sad about Russia though. All the things they're going through. It's just a mess right now. But let's see what else we got in here. CoverGirl. Got a little sample. CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skincare Weightless Water Cream. It's pretty nice. And that's pretty much it for my box. I think it was a pretty good box for $7. I mean, I even got like 2 full-size products. I think I have this shade. I don't. But I love this. I already have something like this, and I'll use it. I love that shade. Very pretty. I know I kind of put it on kind of messy, but I love it. I love the shade. Looks nice. And I'll give this to a friend. I have a friend that loves to wear nails and stuff, so I think I'll give it to them. That's it. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Please like, please subscribe. Please follow me on social media. My social media will be in the description below. And please join my Facebook group, Beauty and Beauty Boxes. I just now reached 800 members. My group is growing. I'm so proud of it, I'm so proud to make a, community. Well, it's kind of, I guess it is community, but like I mostly post on there. I don't really have many other people that post on there, but I don't know, several years ago I would post on like beauty groups on Facebook, and there's one group I posted some, I think it was a makeup post I posted, and I got all these comments and stuff, and then all of a sudden I was blocked from posting on there. It was crazy. I mean, I did nothing wrong, it wasn't anything offensive. I didn't say any curse words or anything, but like I got blocked from posting on the group. And then these other groups I posted on, they would disapprove my post. I think because of goofy rules they have on these, groups. Then I decided, what, make my own group, have my own rules, and it's been growing, and I'm very proud of it. You know, it feels good to make, create something that people enjoy, and it just makes me feel good. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for joining my Facebook group, and y'all have a wonderful day. Goodbye.